It's Nacho Day 2022, and I'm so glad I get to see you. Yes, it's true. Today is Nacho Day, and I'm hosting a collaboration celebrating nachos with my friends' channels Cindy Squirrel Off Grid and Just Cook the Damn Food. And you know what? We're going to be making very unusual nachos, special nachos, exciting nachos, and other channels will be joining us too. Well, I'm making a fun nacho called Cheeseburger Nachos. Let's do it. I've chopped up an onion, and now I'm going to cook it in a tablespoon of oil. I've added in a pound of beef, getting that cooked up. I'm adding in a little Worcestershire sauce, as well as some ketchup, mustard, and some relish, all the burger essentials. Layer a tray with some tortilla chips, and some Colby Jack cheese. Next comes that meat mixture, and more cheese. I'm gonna bake it in a 425 degree oven for about 15 minutes. And now I'm just gonna add some diced tomato and finish it off with some lettuce. Cheeseburger nachos, other things you can add, pickles and bacon. Totally a cheeseburger. Now to see more exciting nachos, check out this hashtag Nacho Day 2022. Thanks for watching. Which type of bear is the most condescending? A panda.